Cheers, that's good cooking. I'm going to be making a Caprese salad. So what I'm doing is I'm using this board here. Can you see that? Can you see that? Okay. Okay. We're just gonna cut a tomato and see how I cut my cheese about this big. So I'm gonna try to get some more slices with the tomato. A nice little slice like that. And you're not using the first slice usually, so you can kind of skip that one. You just want a nice few slices, and you just want to make sure that they're nice and thin, like me, like that. And then I just got some nice big chunks of tomato. All right, so now we got done our tomatoes, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick some basil. And this is some fresh grown basil that I freshly ground. And then I just pick a little basil leaf. It's just gonna be delicious, so. And it's like, now it's kind of like when we start assembly. And what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to work my way like this, like a little snake. Snake our way around the board. Do a tomato slice like this. You just do another little piece of basil and then some mozzarella. A little bit more basil. Get a piece of tomato, just a little piece of cheese, another mozzarella slice. Dressing, take one. Traditionally, a Caprese salad just has salt, pepper, olive oil, and some balsamic vinegar. And today I'm using the brand Madhava. Let's just make sure that we are seasoning our salad. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start with some salt. I like to pour a little bit in my hand first, and then we're just gonna sprinkle some on. Sometimes in life, you just gotta do two hands at once. We are now ready to drizzle some olive oil and balsamic vinegar onto it. And balsamic vinegar, I love a lot because, let me confirm, it's made from wine. Like,
we can do a hard cut after you cough.
so we're gonna just drizzle some balsamic on first. I like this one because it has a nice tip, and the tip's important. And what I like to do is I like to hold it and put my thumb over, and then we just kind of drizzle. And now we're just gonna put on some olive oil. When you're using olive oil, you wanna make sure that you're using a very good quality, especially for a salad. You want it to have a nice flavor. So good, yum yum. This is my Caprese salad. The party don't start until I walk in. I just don't know how people party without me. I think it's time for us to dig in. I wanna have just the most delicious bite of everything in my mouth right now. Let's see how we do. There's one more bite. Ollie, you want a bite? More for me. I just do so good. I'm touched. Have a good day. Get out of my house. So good. I say, guys, I need to go use my seaweed. And then I go into the woods, and then I just suck down booze. The small things in life that really just makes it perfect. We're just loving it. We're loving it.